Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, just how big is the universe? It's a question that has fascinated humans for centuries. The truth is, the universe is mind-bogglingly huge. It's so big that it's almost impossible for our brains to truly grasp its vastness. But let's try anyway. We'll start our journey with what we know best, our own solar system. From there, we'll venture out to our galaxy, the Milky Way, and then to the unimaginable expanse beyond. We'll encounter giant stars, distant galaxies, and mind-blowing distances. Get ready to have your mind blown because we're about to embark on an incredible journey to explore the incredible size of the universe. Along the way, we'll uncover some fun facts and trivia about space that will leave you awestruck. So buckle up, space cadets, as we take a giant leap into the vastness of the cosmos. Our journey begins right here at home, in our solar system. We have 8 planets orbiting our star, the Sun. These planets range in size from tiny Mercury to giant Jupiter. But even though Jupiter is huge, it's dwarfed by the Sun. In fact, you could fit over 1,000 Jupiters inside the Sun. To give you an idea of the distances involved, let's imagine shrinking everything down to a more understandable scale. If the Sun were the size of a basketball, Earth would be about the size of a peppercorn, orbiting the basketball from a distance of about 25 meters. That might sound pretty far, but it's nothing compared to the distances between the stars. If we were to travel at the speed of light, which is the fastest speed possible, it would still take us over 8 minutes to reach the Earth from the Sun. And that's just within our tiny corner of the Milky Way. Our solar system is just one tiny speck in a vast collection of stars, gas, and dust that we call the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy, shaped like a giant flat disk with spiral arms. It contains hundreds of billions of stars, and our Sun is just one of them. If we could shrink the Milky Way down to the size of a dinner plate, our solar system would be smaller than a grain of salt. And even though light travels incredibly fast, it would still take about 100,000 years for it to travel from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's a long time to wait for a message. But the Milky Way is just one of billions of galaxies in the observable universe. Some galaxies are even bigger than the Milky Way, with trillions of stars. Galactic giants and dwarfs. Comparing galaxies in the universe. Just like stars, galaxies come in different shapes and sizes. Some are spiral galaxies like our own Milky Way, while others are elliptical, lenticular, or irregular in shape. Some galaxies are true giants, containing trillions of stars. For example, the largest known galaxy, IC 1101, is estimated to be about 2,000 times larger than our Milky Way. On the other hand, some galaxies are incredibly small, containing only a few billion stars. These dwarf galaxies are often found orbiting larger galaxies, like moons orbiting a planet. In fact, the Milky Way has several dwarf galaxies orbiting it, including the Large Magellanic Cloud and the Small Magellanic Cloud, which are visible to the naked eye in the southern hemisphere. The variety of galaxies in the universe is astounding, and each one is a unique and complex system of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter. The observable universe, seeing the edge of what we can see. When we talk about the size of the universe, it's important to remember that we can only see a small part of it. The observable universe is the portion of the universe that we can see from Earth. It's limited by the speed of light and the age of the universe. Imagine a beam of light traveling towards us from a distant galaxy. That light has been traveling for billions of years, and during that time, the universe has continued to expand. So the farther away an object is, the longer it has taken for its light to reach us, and the more the universe has expanded in that time. The edge of the observable universe is about 46.5 billion light-years away in every direction. This means that the diameter of the observable universe is about 93 billion light-years. But remember, this is just the part of the universe that we can currently see. The actual universe is likely much, much larger than what we can observe. Cosmic distances, mind-boggling numbers, and fascinating facts. Thinking about the vastness of space can be overwhelming. Here are a few fascinating facts and figures to illustrate just how big the universe really is. The estimated number of stars in the observable universe is greater than the number of grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. That's a lot of stars. If you could travel at the speed of light, it would still take you about 2.5 million years to reach the Andromeda Galaxy, our nearest major galactic neighbor. The largest known star, UY Scuti, is so large that if it were placed at the center of our solar system, its surface would extend beyond the orbit of Jupiter. Black holes are some of the most extreme objects in the universe. They are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. These are just a few examples of the incredible distances and sizes that we encounter when we explore the universe. Each new discovery reminds us of just how vast and mysterious the cosmos truly is.